Major branches of psychology. Psychology is the scientific study of the mind, behavior, and mental processes. It seeks to understand how individuals think, feel, and act in different situations. Over time, psychology has developed into a vast field with multiple branches, each focusing on different aspects of human experience. Studying these branches helps individuals, researchers, and professionals gain insight into human behavior, improve mental health, enhance learning, and foster well-being. While all branches of psychology share the goal of understanding the human mind, they approach it from distinct perspectives and methodologies. One of the major branches of psychology is clinical psychology, which focuses on diagnosing, treating, and preventing mental illnesses and psychological disorders. Clinical psychologists work with individuals suffering from depression, anxiety, schizophrenia, personality disorders, and other conditions. They use assessment tools, psychotherapy, and counseling techniques to help patients manage symptoms and improve their quality of life. Clinical psychology combines research with applied practice to address mental health challenges and promote psychological resilience. This branch often collaborates with psychiatry, social work, and other health professions to provide comprehensive care. Another important branch is counseling psychology, which emphasizes helping individuals cope with life challenges, stress, and personal development rather than severe mental illness. Counseling psychologists work in schools, workplaces, community centers, and private practice. They provide guidance on issues such as career decisions, relationship difficulties, academic stress, and self-esteem. While closely related to clinical psychology, counseling psychology often focuses on promoting well-being and personal growth, using techniques such as talk therapy, cognitive behavioral strategies, and mindfulness practices. Cognitive psychology is the branch that studies mental processes such as perception, memory, attention, problem-solving, language, and decision-making. Cognitive psychologists investigate how people acquire, process, and store information, as well as how these processes influence behavior. This branch has practical applications in education, artificial intelligence, human-computer interaction, and clinical settings. For example, understanding memory processes can help develop strategies to improve learning or assist patients with memory disorders. Cognitive psychology also explores biases in thinking, judgment errors, and how cognitive functions change across the lifespan. Developmental psychology examines psychological growth and changes throughout the human lifespan, from infancy to old age. Developmental psychologists study cognitive, emotional, social, and moral development, identifying how individuals change and adapt over time. This branch is essential for understanding childhood learning, adolescence identity formation, adult transitions, and aging processes. Developmental psychology informs parenting practices, educational strategies, and interventions for developmental disorders. It also highlights the interaction between biological maturation and environmental experiences in shaping behavior and mental processes. Social psychology focuses on how individuals think, feel, and behave in social contexts. It explores topics such as social influence, group behavior, prejudice, stereotypes, interpersonal relationships, and conformity. Social psychologists study how the presence of others, societal norms, and cultural expectations affect individual behavior. This branch helps explain phenomena such as obedience to authority, bystander behavior, persuasion, and group decision-making. Insights from social psychology are applied in marketing, organizational behavior, conflict resolution, and public policy to understand and influence human behavior in social settings. Biopsychology or neuropsychology examines the biological foundations of behavior, including brain function, genetics, neurotransmitters, and the nervous system. Biopsychologists study how brain activity influences thoughts, emotions, and actions and investigate conditions such as neurological disorders, brain injuries, and the effects of substances on behavior. This branch connects psychology with neuroscience, providing insights into how the mind and body interact. Understanding the biological basis of behavior is essential for developing treatments for mental health conditions, brain injuries, and neurodegenerative diseases. Industrial organizational psychology applies psychological principles to workplace settings. This branch studies employee behavior, motivation, leadership, job satisfaction, and organizational culture. Industrial organizational psychologists develop strategies for improving productivity, enhancing employee well-being, and fostering effective teamwork. They design assessments for hiring, training programs, and interventions to reduce workplace stress. By applying psychology to organizational challenges, this branch contributes to more efficient and human-centered work environments. Educational psychology focuses on how people learn and the best practices for teaching. Educational psychologists study learning processes, instructional methods, motivation, cognitive development, and individual differences. They work to improve educational outcomes by developing effective teaching strategies, designing curricula, and implementing assessment tools. This branch also addresses challenges such as learning disabilities, attention disorders, and the impact of social and cultural factors on education. By understanding how individuals learn, educational psychology contributes to more effective and inclusive learning environments. Health psychology examines the interaction between psychological factors and physical health. Health psychologists study how stress, behavior, and emotions influence physical well-being and recovery from illness. They promote healthy behaviors, such as exercise, proper nutrition, and adherence to medical treatment, and help individuals cope with chronic diseases, pain, and lifestyle changes. This branch emphasizes the importance of the mind-body connection and provides strategies for improving overall health and quality of life. Forensic psychology applies psychological principles in legal and criminal justice contexts. Forensic psychologists evaluate mental competence, provide expert testimony in court, assist in criminal profiling, and support rehabilitation of offenders. This branch bridges psychology and the law, ensuring that psychological insights are used ethically and effectively in legal proceedings. In conclusion, psychology is a diverse and multifaceted field with numerous branches, each contributing unique insights into human behavior, cognition, and emotion. Clinical and counseling psychology focus on mental health and personal growth, cognitive psychology studies mental processes, and developmental psychology explores growth across the lifespan. Social, biopsychology, industrial organizational, educational, health, and forensic psychology each examine different aspects of human experience, from biological mechanisms and social interactions to learning, work, and legal contexts. Understanding the major branches of psychology allows individuals to appreciate the complexity of human behavior and apply psychological knowledge to improve mental health, education, work, and overall well-being. If you found this explanation helpful and informative, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more educational content.